I have hiccups, and I just want to see how long I will have them for. So I'm doing this. Oh, that looks so weird right there when you hiccup. Anyway, yeah, I'm just sort of recording my hiccups. Okay, yeah, this will be on for a while. I don't know. Checking Facebook. Hiccups ruin everything. I hate when you mess up on your password. It's just like, this one. I'm not. Hopefully. Oh, nope. They're still there. My neck looks so weird when I get hiccups. It's like. That totally about me. I have no friends. Yeah. I guess Zach is my friend here, but long story. Oh, I might be going to Canada pretty soon. I finally got a text. It was a lame text. So my girl. My face looks horrible. Oh. The reason I look so weird today. One, I've been home for like the last 2 days. I've been with my brother pretty much by myself. Anyway, going to Canada with the Halloween Bucks in a little bit. I can't wait. And then we're going to this weird water park again. I'm going to Rachel's for 2 weeks in the fair. And yeah, I think my hiccups are gone, so I'm happy. I might just end up speaking them, so see ya. Okay, what I realized I forgot to tell you is why I look so crappy. Okay, me and my friend are like having a thing, or it's just all natural week, so I don't really wear any makeup. I put on this weird thing around my eyes because if I don't, they start to hurt, like right here. So that's all I did, but you know. What else? I guess we're like helping our hair, so I really haven't washed my hair in a while. I just put it in this. It got so bad that it just came ungreasy today. That's pretty bad. Like, I wash myself when I'm not washing my hair because I guess we're not allowed to. Shut up, Logan. Okay, I should probably go now because this is a really pointless video. Bye!